Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the bench. Today I'm going to give you some tips that may bail you out of a problem someday. The scenario. It's a hot summer day. You're in the backyard working on that lawnmower so you can finish the yard. You reach over to put the last couple of bolts back in, and one of them has mashed threads. You don't know how it happened. You don't care how it happened. All you know is that bolt is not going into that hole without trouble. Occasionally, at the worst time, we've got to repair external threads on bolts or studs. Step 1. Slow down and think. First, get yourself some shade and a cold drink. Calm down before you make a bad situation worse. I've been there. I know the pressure's on. Step 2. Clean the threads. If you've got a vise, great. If not, you can still use some locking pliers to hold the bolt. Start with a wire brush. Sometimes brushing with a little kerosene or mineral spirits will clean up the threads enough to save them. Work the brush along the threads, cleaning out rust, dirt, and gunk. Step 3. Thread file. If the damage is worse, you'll need a thread restoration tool. A thread file, sometimes called a box file, has multiple thread pitches on it. In my case, the bolt is 3/8 and 16, so I look for the 16 pitch file. Clamp the bolt in the vise or pliers and line up the file with the existing threads. Work it back and forth, following the original thread pattern. This will reform the damaged areas without cutting entirely new threads. After a few passes, clean off the chips, and if you use compressed air, wear eye protection. Step 4. Thread chaser or die. If the threads still feel rough, step up to a thread chaser or a die. I prefer a chaser because it reforms the thread shape without removing more metal than necessary. If you don't have one, a die will work. Loosen the adjustment screw slightly so it cleans instead of cutting. Set the die in the handle, start it carefully on the threads, and turn it slowly. Feel for resistance. You're not forcing it, you're guiding it. Run it past the damaged area, then back it off. Step 5. Test fit. Clean the threads again and try your nut. It should spin on and off smoothly now. When to replace. If the bolt is bent or the threads are beyond saving, replacement is the only option. Tool tip. Thread files are inexpensive. Around $25 for a set that covers most SAE pitches. They also have them in metric sizes. Having them in your toolbox can save you time, money, and a trip to the hardware store for just one bolt. Wrap up. This repair works on external threads, bolts and studs alike. Next time, we'll cover restoring internal threads. Click the link on your screen or check out the Fasteners playlist. I'm Sparky. Thanks for watching. More tips are on the way. Sparky out.